The next Valentine package we're going to make is this really cool origami box. This box is held together with just the ribbon. There's no glue at all to this, and it's really fun to make. First thing you'll need to do is choose some paper. I like to choose a solid for the bottom of the box and a designer series pattern paper for the top. And what you will want to remember with your pattern paper, it's a good thing to have a random pattern. If you have stripes or polka dots or anything that goes in a row, when you're doing all of your folds, it's really hard to match it up. So make life easy on yourself and choose a random pattern. You can also choose two solids. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to get started is to cut our paper. And since we're cutting 12 by 12 paper, I need to go ahead and take out my scoring blade so I have the full range of cut. And my first cut is going to be 11 by 11 for the box bottom. So I'm going to line it up at 11, give it a cut, turn my paper, again lining it up at 11 and cut. And we have the base bottom ready to go. The next thing we'll be doing is starting all of the folding.